Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study well in high school. Start by writing clear, specific goals for each subject and set short deadlines for tasks. Use a planner or app to track homework, tests, and projects so nothing slips. Decide what matters most and tackle high-priority work first to build momentum and reduce stress while improving focus and consistency over time. Use active techniques like self-testing and explaining ideas allowed to cement learning and spot gaps. Study in focused blocks, take short breaks, and revisit material across several days to use spaced repetition effectively. Mix problem solving with concept review and avoid passive rereading, which feels productive but often fails to build durable memory or deep understanding over time. Quick recommendation and a small ad. If this video helps, please subscribe and like to help more students. On another note, I want to mention a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that can change how you think about money and freedom, and it pairs nicely with planning skills from studying. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Design a reliable study environment by removing distractions and keeping tools handy to maintain flow. Use noise control, comfortable lighting, and a consistent desk to train your brain for focus. Employ short focus timers and scheduled breaks so you sustain energy, and switch tasks when attention wanes to stay efficient and build a lasting study routine that fits your life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.